Hey there, CJ Math students, going to help you out with homework 3.8, ratios and rates. I know I already had a homework 3.8. We'll just call that a number fluency homework, and this will be the regular homework 3.8, so it matches up with the notes. Right? So this says, what is the ratio of gorillas to monkeys? So they want the gorillas first, which are these guys first, to monkeys. So count out the gorillas. We have obviously 6 gorillas versus we have 8 monkeys. So basically our ratio is 6 to 8, but then obviously we have to simplify that. So 6 to 8 can be simplified down if we divide by 2 as 3 to 4. So we want 3 to 4. A is our correct answer. Notice how they have 4 to 3 on there. A lot of people could choose that because they do the monkeys to the gorillas because they see the monkeys first. Read the problem. It tells you want gorillas to monkeys. So again, in this one, read the problem. They want Marco sharks to hammerheads. These are the hammerheads. These are the Marco. Number 3. The diagram below shows the rate at which a student was reading a book. According to the diagram, how many pages did the student read per minute? So we have pages, these are these blocks right here, and we have minutes, these are these blocks. So how many pages we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages to how many minutes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want how many pages per minute did she read? She read 6 to 8, and if we simplify that, we read 3/4 pages per minute. B. All right. Number 5. It says, examine the following rectangle. What is the ratio of the shorter side compared to the longer side? So shorter side compared to longer side. So the shorter side is 0.5 compared to 2.5. All right, so basically what you can do to help yourself with this is, I have a decimal of 0.5 and a decimal of 2.5. Really, I could eliminate the decimal if I wanted to, and I could say, oh, this is really 5 to 25, right? So really I could say, all right, 5 over 25, divide by 5 on both of them. What's my ratio of my short side to long side? 1, 2, 5. A. And it actually makes sense because if I multiply the 0.5 by 5, I would get my long side. Number 7. What is the ratio of shaded squares to unshaded squares? So how many shaded squares do we have? We have 3. How many unshaded squares do we have? We have 9. So it's 3 to 9, but then if you simplify it, 3 over 9, and we get, obviously, 1/3. All right? Number 9. The image below represents the composition of boys and girls in Mr. Wang's class. What is the ratio of girls to boys? So notice how they first said boys and girls, but they want girls to boys. All right, so we have girls are the ones with the long hair. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 girls. Whereas we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boys. Sorry, I missed one. We have 8 boys, right? So we want girls to boys, so 16 to 8 or 16 over 8. We can divide them both by 8. Sorry, I'm going on to the next thing here, so let me go down here. And obviously we get 2 over 1 or 2 to 1. I'm going to help you with number 10 because it involves a rate problem. So if Mario made $295.75 working total of 35 hours, what was his hourly wage? Basically, again, you're going to divide your money by time. And so you're going to divide 295.75. It's great to know that he did that in 35 hours. But how do we figure out what each hour was worth? We divide it by 35 and see how we can divide that money up into those hours. So you may use a Google calculator on that one. Number 11, Joanna paid $8 for 12 cookies. About how much money did Joanna pay for each cookie? Again, we got to do our price, or dollars, divided by our quantity. And so we'll do $8 divided by 12 cookies. And it makes sense. Each cookie is going to be less than $1, right? Because if she paid $1 for every cookie, then she would have paid $12 for 12 cookies. So going ahead and doing this, we're going to figure out that she pays about 75 cents per each cookie. And circle your answer so I can see it. And number 13, 7 friends equally shared 6 candy bars. How much did each friend receive? So think about it. There's 7 friends. There's 6 candy bars. Is everybody going to get at least one whole candy bar? No. So we're going to have, if we have 6 candy bars, right, and we want to divide that among 7 friends, everybody's going to get not a full candy bar, pretty close to a full candy bar, but not an actual full candy bar. So if we want to write this as a decimal, it's 6/7, which is about 0.85. We could write it as a fraction. We can just say they get about 0.85 of a candy bar. And that's weird, but like if you see that this candy bar is divided up into, I don't know, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 15, right? You can imagine getting 85% of this. This would be like getting 13 out of the 15 pieces here. All right, good luck. Do the other problems. Show all your work just like I did on all the evens. Don't just put answers, show work, and call me if you have questions.